Rockstars! Welcome to Virtual Assistant Real Talk. This is your Rockstar VA Sera. And for today, I'm gonna help you find your clients, especially kung decided ka nang maging isang VA. Paano nga ba tayo makakakuha ng clients? Especially kung na-decide mo na gusto mo nang mag-VA, pero saan ka kukuha ng clients? Or sino yung mga target na market mo para magkaroon ka ng clients? In this video, I'm going to teach you how and where can you find clients. Yes, friends and family. So, most of you, I'm not sure kung naniniwala kayo dito, pero your first line of support are your family and friends. So, if you're starting out with your VA career, syempre, you have to inform your family and friends that you're already providing services. And na-cover ko to sa ibang video, how to identify your online skills and kung anong mga services ang pwede mong i-offer bilang baguhan ka pa lang sa pag-VA. So, pwede nating sabihin sa ating mga family members na eto na yung services na ina-offer mo, pwede mo rin sabihin sa mga friends mo, kasi you'll never know na sa lahat ng mga friends natin na may mga business or even family members, you can actually, be proactive or initiate assistance. So, pwede mong sabihin na pwede mo kitang tulungan sa pag-manage ng social media sa business mo. And to gain confidence, para alam mo na kung ano yung magiging environment mo kapag nagtatrabaho ka na sa bahay and nagpo-provide ka na ng service, marirealize mo rin kung anong services ka magaling and you're comfortable working with. And the other thing is, syempre, mas makakatulong siya sa pag-identify kung ano yung mga target clients mo. Next is networking. Yes, totoo po yan. Pero hindi po ako yung mag-i-invite. Hindi ibig sabihin nun mag-i-invite ka para mag-coffee and then aalukin mo ng networking. Hindi po ganun yun. Pag networking, it usually comes digital. So, it's most of the time, it's the #1 marketing method na pwede mong i-market yung business mo. So, in networking, of course, social media platforms yan. There are Facebook and Instagram, and you can also join groups, Facebook groups. You can also join Facebook pages, and magugulat kayo kasi maraming mga nag-o-offer ng mga, non-voice jobs or voice jobs, and you can easily find clients there. Although usually yung mga nag-hire doon is coming from a company or a freelancer. So, pwede yun. I mean, hindi naman nauubusan eh. I mean, I have to be honest with you guys. Nag-a-add ako na, nag-join ako sa mga groups, and I'm really checking on yung mga postings kung kailangan nila ng VA or nag-hire sila. Okay, so just a reminder guys, real talk ha, may mga scams sa ganyan na i-hire ka, and then pagtatrabahuhin ka, and then pag bayaran na ng sahod, wala na, bigla na lang siya nawala, bigla na lang nawawala. Okay, so just be careful. Siguro, yung masasabi ko is, our clients, we're not stopping them to do research for us. So, they're not gonna stop us to do research for them, for our clients. So, if I were you, kapag na-hire na kayo, or nag-a-apply pa lang kayo, at medyo, medyo hindi ka pa masyadong familiar, try to do a research on what company, and yung mga post nila, hiring, we need 10 VAs, blah, blah, blah. You can actually just send them a message, private message, and then ask what company, and then check nyo na yun sa Google kung legit ba talaga to, or baka scam. So, like I said from my previous video, mayroong mga ganyan, may mga scam na ganyan. So, mag-iingat po tayo sa mga nagpo-post. We have to do our best to do research on these companies para legit if ever we're interested in applying. So those are the things that you can do. Networking, of course, you can also tap on your workmates kung meron silang mga business. Alam mo yun, wala man silang business, they can also refer you. So basically, you're just gonna expose yourself that I am a virtual assistant and this services that I can offer you guys. Next, we also have applying as a VA subcontractor. So, like I've mentioned from my previous videos, I do have a company where I hire most VA subcontractors. And the goal of my business or the agency that I have is to actually assist ang mga aspiring VA. So some of them would apply to me and then isasama ko sila sa VA pool just in case meron akong mga clients na magbibigay sa akin ng bulk na task or work, then I can hire a lot of VA subcontractors. So you can also find a client by applying to that specific VA. So I am going to post in my description below my Facebook page, QVA Agency, where you can apply, you can send your resume, and I can help you, I can help you establish a great infographic resume, especially pag nag-hire ka na or pag nag-apply ka na sa mga clients. So those are the things that are also available for you to be able to find clients. Next are job sites. So ito ang aking Rockstar VA tip. Create an account sa Upwork and GoLance. I'm going to post the link in my description. Create an account, establish a very impressive account profile. Ilagay niyo yung mga experience niyo doon. Kahit wala pa kayong experience magtrabaho as a VA sa client, i-establish niyo muna yung account niyo. And then, let me know if you created an Upwork and I can include you in my Upwork team. Same as with GoLance. Now, what's the good thing about Upwork and GoLance? Now, for those job sites, it actually gives you a chance to be a freelancer. And kapag naghahanap ka ng work, there are like 1,000 works posted every day. And I'm pretty sure na merong isa na para sa'yo. So, just make sure that you can, specify kung ano yung mga skills na pwede mong i-offer, and then you can find yung mga postings, yung mga clients na nag-hire. And if you feel like kaya mo yung trabaho, kaya mo tong job post na to, then you have to read the details first. Minsan, may mga nagpo-post doon na hindi masyadong complete ang details. It's okay. You can just apply, and then kapag nag-schedule ng interview sa si client, then you can just ask questions. Just make sure that you have, you complete all the details in creating an account in Upwork and GoLance. So that is my Rockstar VA tip. Another thing that I need to remind you, kapag meron ka ng account sa Upwork and sa GoLance, you can also create packages. Like, what are the services that you can offer as a whole? Nabanggit ito sa ibang videos, how to identify online skills and how to be able to, what are the easy jobs that an aspiring VA can apply for. So, create packages and you can actually decide on the rate kung magkano ang i-charge mo sa mga clients na tumitingin ng profile mo. There's also an option there where you can save a video resume para mas makita ng client kung paano ka magsalita, especially if they want someone who have good communication skills. So you can record that, you can create a script and then just try to be natural as possible, record it, upload in your Upwork and GoLance, and that's it. The important thing is all the information that you can do and the services nandun na sa account. So I'm pretty sure that some of the clients will pass by your Upwork or GoLance account, and syempre, if you place all the things that you can offer, syempre, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a chance to be hired. So that's one thing that I also want to inform you. So after this video, start creating your account in Upwork and GoLance. Alright, next is you start managing your own business. Now, if you're someone who have small businesses and you already created like a Facebook page or Instagram account para sa business mo, then start managing your own business kasi mas marami kang matututunan pagdating sa pag-manage ng social media. I'm sure that, alam mo yun, step by step, you're gonna learn the features and things that you can do for social media, what's the in and out, basic SEO, analytics, keywords, hashtag. So lahat yan, eventually, matututunan mo as long as you start. The only thing that's hindering you is, syempre, tatakot ka and you're not confident to actually offer your services. Nahihiya kang mag-post sa Facebook and sa Instagram. Alam mo yun, naiintindihan ko yung guys. Because from the start, ganun din naman yung nararamdaman ko dati. Baka kasi isipin ng tao na, sino ba yun? Ano ba yung VA? So it's important to actually educate. And that's the reason why I'm creating this vlog, to be able to expose and educate people that virtual assistants exist, and we make clients' life easier and business very convenient. So, ang laki ng bagay na itutulong ng isang virtual assistant sa isang client or business owners. And now, I have a bonus tip for you guys. Since nakarating na tayo ng vlog 7, so this is my bonus tip: create an infographic resume using Canva.com. So, it's a free account, may mga templates na doon, anything you need. Kahit may business ka, you can actually use Canva. It's very, very helpful. Sobrang savior siya sa lahat ng mga business owners. So, you can create an infographic resume, impressive one actually. Just edit all the details as necessary. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you've learned a lot. Sa tingin mo na marami kong natutunan sa video nito, don't forget to like and leave a comment regarding your feedback. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Share it sa mga kaibigan mo na hindi pa nagsasubscribe para tuloy-tuloy na ang ating pag-work at home. And syempre, para maging isang successful virtual assistant ka na. So that's it for me today. Once again, this is your Rockstar VA Sera. Stay happy, choose to be happy.